What better way to usher in the new year and all that you have to look forward to than a vision board? This is a great way to express yourself. And some experts say if you put your goals in front of you, they can manifest into reality. This is my vision board. The beautiful thing about it is I can make changes to it at any time. I can add new goals or take down what I don't want to focus on anymore. There are so many ways to be creative with a vision board. For this, you will need some type of board. I picked up a cork board at the craft store, but you can use an old picture frame or get one from a thrift store and then tape or pin on your ideas. Now it's time to cut out photos and words from a magazine, newspaper, or download and print photos or graphics off the internet. There are free photos on websites like Pixabay. You could also spend just a few bucks and print out vision board themes you like from Etsy. They have so many fun ideas. First step, think of the goals you would like to accomplish this year. I want to make my home a safe and happy place. I'd also like to focus on health, travels, and gratitude. Now get creative and fun. Cut out your inspiring themes and photos and position them on the board. Once you are done, put your vision board in an area where you can always see it and manifest daily what you want for the new year. Again, the beauty about this is you can change it up at any time.